like the title says, we're going to Sweden's biggest car meet. We're bringing my friend's Cupra and we're bringing mine Cupra. And we're about to go there. We're just waiting for a friend. But let's not yap anymore. Let's do some time lapses and we'll be there. Revuelto.
Filmar du min bil?
Let's go. I film your car. Nice one. Hey, Wolf of Wall Street, that Lambo. What do you think about it, bro?
Good car, good car.
Yeah, sick car, bro. This is a sick one. Hawk Tour. Damn. Dream car.
Det här ska vara min familjebil, grabbar.
Jag med.
Subscribe.
Oh my steg 1. Steg 1. You gonna do it? How you gonna do it? You gonna do it?
Frontsläpp nu, grabbar.
Yes sir, another styling shit. Bro. Chip. About to trim your car. Det...
Lägga min bil här uppe. Vänta, sushi är en säljperson. Det här lite.
Yeah, dream truck. Alright boys, so I picked up some stuff. I picked up a nice little drying towel because I needed a new one because mine is dirty as hell. I picked up some ceramic wash and wax. This is super good shampoo. I've used it before. Super good. Also a ceramic coating. I'm gonna try this one out and see if it's actually good. They said it was super good, so I'll see if it's good and report back. And also a full-on polish, which I'll do in the summer. So my car looks like that, hopefully. And then I got this for free, so my car doesn't smell like farts. I guess it's nice. But yeah, this is what I bought, so it's super nice. Alright boys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed all those cars, because I definitely enjoyed being there. I showed you what I bought, and my friend almost bought a tuning chip for his car, but he didn't do it. So maybe get to that later. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe, helps get to 1,000 subscribers.